Now, welcome all students of Standard 10. Now, dear students, this is your new lesson Long Walk to Freedom. Okay, now this is an autobiography of Nelson Mandela. But, dear students, in your book, this is a chapter, but really, this is a book. This is an autobiography. Okay, so we know before knowing about Nelson Mandela, we know about this book. Okay, students, Long Walk to Freedom. Long Walk to Freedom is an autobiography written by South African President Nelson Mandela. You know, that's a full name of Nelson Mandela. Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela. Okay, Rolihlahla Mandela. And this book was first published in 1994 by Little Brown and Company. The book profiles his early life, coming of age, education, and 27 years in prison. So he has spent 27 years in prison, in jail, under the apartheid government. You know, there's a very important words, apartheid. So each and every student must you note down in your notebook the meaning of this word, apartheid. Apartheid, that means a former social system, a former social system in South Africa in which black people and people from other racial groups did not have the same political and economic rights as white people and were forced to live separately from white people. Okay, now students, so you note down. Mandela was regarded as a terrorist in jail on the infamous Robben Island for his role as a leader the the then outlawed ANC. The meaning of ANC, you know, African National Congress. He later achieved international recognitions for his leadership as president in rebuilding the country's once segregated society. You know, segregated society, the meaning of segregated, that means separated from others of the same kind of group. Okay, now the meaning of this word, separated from others of the same kind, yeah, group. So segregated society. The last chapter of the book describe his political ascensions. Ascension, you know, the act of ascending, and his belief that the struggle still continued against apartheid in South Africa. Okay, now let's start about the author, Nelson Mandela. Okay, now full name Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela. And personal detail, he was born on 18th July 1918 in Union of South Africa and died on 5th December 2013 on the age of 95 years in South Africa. And cause of death, respiratory infection. Resting place, Mandela Graveyard, Kinu, Eastern Cape, South Africa. Political party, ANC, African National Congress, and other also South African Communist Party. And spouse, that's the name of wife. There are three, Evelyn Notko Mess and Winnie Madikchel. An occupation, he was an activist, politician, philanthropist, and lawyer also. And known for anti-apartheid movement. He got a number of awards, not a single, a number of awards. For example, that's here Sakharov Prize, Bharat Ratna, Nishan-e-Pakistan, Nobel Peace Prize, Lenin Peace Prize, Presidential Medal of Freedom, and many more. A notable work, The Long Walk to Freedom. Okay, students, so you know about the book Long Walk to Freedom, and you know about the author Nelson Mandela. Okay, now in your book, this is the chapter. This is a chapter. Okay, now so we know the theme of this chapter. The lesson pays tribute to those black heroes and patriots who waged a relentless struggle. That means a continuous against the apartheid. Apartheid, that's a form of social system in South Africa in which black people and uh, other from the other racial groups did not have the same political and economic rights as white people and were forced to live separately from white people. So that's here the racist regimes of South Africa. Here we find a description of the inauguration ceremony. You know, inauguration ceremony held in the union buildings attended by politicians and dignitaries from more than 140 countries. Nelson Mandela gives a message of peace and unity of mankind. He foresees a new regime which will be based on the equality of man and women. He hopes that in the new regimes there will be no exploitation of man by man. There will be no room for racialism and segregations in the new order. I hope that you understand about this, about the theme of this chapter, and you know about the author Nelson Mandela. Really, he's a great personality, and from their life, uh, we learn a number of lessons. Okay, dear students. So you note down each and every thing in your notebook. Okay, students.